y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing these 3 bundles and a closure that I got off of Wish. So I got these off of Wish probably had them for about 2 weeks now. It took them about 2 weeks to get here. I paid $26.10 for these bundles. This is virgin hair. It's Malaysian straight. So I'm sorry y'all, my air is on and I'm really trying to finish this video, so I'm just gonna continue with the video. So anyways, this is the closure. It looks really nice. Yeah, I got a 14-inch, I got a 10, and I got a 12. The company that I ordered it from, let me find their name real quick, is Lope's Beauty Hair Store. I'm gonna put the link below. This is virgin hair. It says it can be permed, it can be dyed. They say it's unprocessed virgin hair. Now let me tell you, these are like, each bundle is 50 grams. I think that's what they told me. So this is not enough to do a whole head. Now I knew that before I bought it. They did email me and asked me that I want to upgrade my bundle deal or whatever to a bigger package where my bundles would be bigger and it would be enough for a full head. But I was like, nah, because I just wanted to, you know, get it so I could review it and see how it is. So I decided that I'm going to, and the closure is really nice too, that I'm going to get some of my old hair and I'm going to dye it red, and I'm going to dye this red, and I'm just going to make a wig out of it. So yes, flowy. See, if you didn't see the top, you would think that this is like one bundle. So this is equal to one bundle pretty much. More about the hair. Oh, and it did come with eyelashes. They were really nice. I wore them, I think, Friday, and they stayed on pretty good. They look pretty natural or whatever. But anyway, so these are 8 bundles. If you don't know about grades, like, I think the lowest grade is probably like, I don't even know how low the grades go, but basically the lower the grade, the higher the grade, the better the hair. So 8A, 9A, 10A, and up, that's pretty good grades of hair. My air finally went off. Thank God for air though. Okay, so on the site it says that it has no chemical, no smell, no shedding, and that it's tangle free. They said the closure is 130 density, which I can tell because it's like a medium density. Like, it's not too thick, but it's not too thin. I'm still gonna plug it just like a little bit right there, just to make it look natural. So yeah, girl, I just come on here to review this hair. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, these bundles are nice bundles. However, it's not enough to do your whole head, so just mix it with some other hair or just buy more of the hair. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.